I saw how to make a mother doll like this and I showed it in a video and want to make it. Take a drinking cup of another shot and take a waste water bottle lid and a rubber band. Watch the video till the end. Make other holes as I show in the video. Watch the video till the end. Just watch this video till the end and you will understand as I show in the video. Make other drawing with other sketch pen. See how the doll was made. If you like this video doll, please like and comment. If you like the video, please subscribe and thank you for watching the video. May God bless and you and protect you. Amen. If you don't understand this video, please comment and let me know. If you have any other ideas or if you want to make different types of videos, I make a video about it. Please, if you have any questions